In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send invoice in Squarespace. If you've already created an invoice and just need to get it out to your client, this walkthrough will keep things simple and clear so you can send it with confidence. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and look to the left-hand sidebar. Click Invoicing. This is your hub for everything related to billing. It's laid out to help you quickly find what you need, whether you're managing drafts, tracking what's been sent, or following up on payments. Next, select Invoices to view the full list of your invoices. Here you'll see the status of each one, the client, totals, and due dates. If you have a long list, use the built-in search or filters to quickly zero in on the exact invoice you're ready to send. Taking a moment here to confirm you've chosen the correct invoice can save you time later. Once you've found the right invoice, hover over it and click the three dots icon to open the options. Choose Edit. This brings you into the invoice details. Before you send, give everything a careful review. The recipient's information, line items, quantities, rates, taxes, and any notes or terms you've included. Make sure the due date and currency are correct and that the totals match your expectations. If you've added a message or memo for your client, read it once more to ensure it's clear and professional. A quick review helps prevent back and forth and makes payment smoother for your client. When everything looks good, click Send at the top right. Squarespace will prompt you to confirm. This is your final checkpoint. If the confirmation includes an email subject or message field, you can keep your wording concise and friendly and make sure the recipient address is accurate. When you're ready, confirm the send. And that's it. The invoice goes out to your client, and you'll see the status update from draft to sent right in your list. Your client receives a clean, professional email with a secure link to view the invoice. If you accept online payments, they can follow that link to pay directly, which often speeds things up. To recap the flow you just followed, click Invoicing on the left, open Invoices to see your list, use the three dots on the invoice you want, choose Edit to review, then click Send at the top right and confirm. Simple, fast, and reliable. Thanks for watching. And now you're ready to confidently send invoices in Squarespace.